Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to do a screen recording with microphone sounds. It's very simple and easy to do, guys. All you have to do is to tap and hold to the screen recording icon, and then first you're gonna see this microphone audio, it's turned off, but as of now I am using it right now, so that's why it's already turned on. So you're just gonna tap on it to turn it on and then start recording. That's it, guys. That's how you're gonna record your screen with microphone sounds. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two, and see you guys on my next tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thank you, bye bye.